Hi and welcome back again to the new video from Simply Food and Shopping channel. Stay tuned.
Here you go, Bourak in Dubai again. Bourak is meeting with the Prince of Dubai to cook for him his special food, and this is bread printed on his name. Now this is the lamb that I've been waiting for. He's similar to mine, but his one obviously more of a big chunk in there than the one I use. 1 kilo, 2 kilo. Wow, that's the dolma. This is very Turkish special food. He's lucky them princes. I wanna be there. Oh, that's also the knafa, Turkish knafa.
Yes, it's a beautiful, delicious dessert to have after food.
And this is slow motion, guys. Look at it. Wow.
It's amazing. Look at that cheese.
Yes, Bourak, you're enjoying that.
So cheesy. And what makes it more delicious is the syrup that comes with it. Thank you, Bourak, for your amazing recipes. You are so inspirational to all the people out there. And you always make people smile and happy. Thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and put the bell on for the next video. See you soon.